we are from Vision Gate. I am Nisha Rathod and we are having Q&A session with our toppers. We have Varun here with AIR rank 174. Congratulations, Varun.
Thank you.
So let us start by something about your journey.
So after 12th, I decided to take GATE because I wanted to get into IIT. So before taking GATE, I decided to take a coaching institute. Like I am not a student, I need a stick. Like someone make me study. So I came across some Quora reviews and I found that Vision Gate is the best institute in Mumbai. And I still do not regret my decision of joining Vision Gate. And I am happy to crack GATE, that too in final year, and that too getting in top 300. It was like dream come true for me.
Okay, so how will you find your journey with RSV sir here throughout the final year preparations?
It was like a great journey and best journey of my life. Due to COVID, the offline coaching was stopped. But despite of these situations, sir did not miss any lectures. We had continuous lectures from around like March 22 or something till the last date of our exam. For last 15 days it was like to prepare, time given for the self preparation. But till before that, each and every day there were lectures, there were discussions taken off. Sir even took like lectures in morning and evening also. And he used to also clear doubts of students like ourselves.
Okay, sir. So we would like to hear something about Varun from you.
Yeah, so there are many aspects of this. Varun is not aware about one fact actually. He is also a student of one of my students, Mohini.
Yes.
And I used to discuss about the Varun with Mohini multiple number of times. And Mohini used to check about the Varun with me, right? And I think Mohini is also some kind of your guides and all.
Yes,
those projects guide. And we have discussed, right, how he's doing the projects. Now he has a GATE actually exam. Let him concentrate actually on the exam particular pattern. And he's from the Terna Engineering College. Once I have opened this particular Vision Gate, I had actually tie up with the Terna Institute for their higher education sales. I have given their multiple number of seminars, guided them. We have taken lectures of those students. But once Varun planned for the GATE preparation, he was not aware that a Vision Gate has some kind of a relation with the Terna. So he came here and he has searched right like the general students and he found that he would like to join the Vision Gate and he joined into the very nation. It's not just only Varun from Terna Engineering College joined the Vision Gate. There are a couple of his more friends also who joined into the Vision Gate. And if I still remember right, Varun used to sit actually in the classroom, normally into the third, second or the last row of the class. And I know about my each and every students, right? Daily where actually you are sitting, when you are attending the classes, when you are missing to the classes, right? So whenever they have actually missed the class, I have asked, right, what is the reason why you have missed the class? So sometimes actually they need to go to the actually college on Saturday, or there will be some kind of a unit test and all those things are planned. Yes, and actually his college is actually in evening, right?
Yes.
So there are classes scheduled on actually evening time also 6:30 right to 9 p.m. and whenever they have missed or they are able to come late, right? So we have always inquired. In my best of the knowledge actually, and whatever I discuss with my contacts actually in his college, for Terna Engineering College, this is the best rank achieved in GATE till now, definitely for the computer science. So that kind of a success. It's not just only success of actually Varun. So whenever Vision Gate has done tie-up of any engineering college, just before we discussed with PUC, he's from Rajiv Gandhi, and through one of my students I had a tie-up. Tanmay Sule, he's from actually Pisa Institute of Technology, so we had a tie-up. And from Terna Institute, now actually Varun, right? And this year actually, for GATE 2022, right, there are many students from SIS, they joined us because they are seniors ROC, able to secure All India rank like 94 and got admission into the IIT Mumbai. And as you look at right, if he students himself till like that, I do not regret about my decisions. So Varun is a kind of very sincere, calm kind of student. He used to attend all the classes, and sometimes he is a silent observer. Silent observer, whenever I will say, if you know the answer, he is able to solve the answer. He is not telling the answer actually. Whenever in class, online class, I am asking how many of you know the answer. And there are occasions when very rare people know the answer and none of them have raised their answer. Then Varun said, right, yes sir, I know this answer, right? So do you remember that which answers say, right?
Yes sir, I remembered one question, like you asked non-prime.
Yes.
Non-prime means non-prime, by non-prime cannot derive prime.
Yes.
So as it was a discussion and no one was able to answer, then I answered that question.
So knowingly, right, I used to ask that kind of a question. There are many type of students. Students who are actually extrovert, they are actually quietly interactive with things. There are students who are not able to understand the thing, that's why they are not speaking. There are students who understand the things, but still they are not interactive. So Varun is type of that. So I understand. That's why I asked for problem of database actually, which I remember, right, as Varun told, right. Why it is not possible that the non-prime can derive the prime attributes. Actually, this was the discussion for the 3NF and BCNF.
Yes,
so some people thought that the non-prime can derive actually the prime attribute, but which is actually not true. And what is the reasoning behind it? So everyone was silent, right? And then Varun had actually told the answer. So you can understand the kind of connect we have. It's not just where you sit, when you have joined, right? We inquired, right? Even without knowledge of the Varun, right? What is his progress, how he is doing, right? Me and Mohini, we used to discuss among ourselves, right? And how much bandwidth he required to prepare for the game, which answers you have told. So that kind of a personal connect, if any students with is a teacher, then that students is definitely going to succeed, and that is institute is going to succeed. You cannot find that kind of connect anywhere in this country. At least for the GATE preparation, I am 100% sure about it.
Yes, sir, we all agree with this. And so, yes, Varun. So, Varun, we will like to know more about your college life because you are a final year student and
Yes.
you did all the things simultaneously.
So like the COVID situation was started and it was like kind of gift for me to utilize my time. So I decided, so for like we don't have to go to a college, so that traveling time was saved. So I used to study like, so morning lectures were there and I don't used to like allot time for study, but I used to study from like topic wise. This topic I need to cover in this day. And also for the placements, it was easy for me to like sit for the placements as there were no other time. And after placements also happened and unit test also was like study from home only and game only. So there was lot of, actually there was lot of time for me to study, and as there were like I was able to attend more discussions due to college. Sometimes I used to miss the classes, but this in this time it was not the case. So I used to attend all the classes. Only last for like few days I didn't attend because my Viva was going on, my Viva and practical exam. But that's all. I did get my lot of time for studies also.
Okay, Varun. So I like to know during this discussion sessions when sir will give you some problem to solve, and maybe there might be the times when you don't know how to solve this, and your friends are solving it. They are instantaneously answering the questions. So you ever feel like, why don't I know this? Or you just feel demotivated. What did you do at times like this?
Actually, I was like quite demotivated in December time, but what I used to think is that if I am facing the same problem, there are many students who are facing the same problem, and I need to work on this. If there is no one who can help me through this, only I can help me through this. So I used to read various kinds of discussion on multiple sites like GateOpen, Stack Exchange. There are like quite few good answers, and also the sir recommended some books or some PDFs to read, and it was like quite helpful. And even there were times like I didn't able to understand the lecture. I also used to watch that lecture multiple times. For online it was recorded, and it was like best thing for me.
Yeah, so that is the thing you get online. Advantage of recording the lectures
Yes.
and rewriting them.
Yes.
So, did you ever had backlogs? And if you had, then how to deal with them?
No, I didn't have.
Okay, so you never had a backlog. So you used to be the punctual person. This
Yes,
is the
I
lecture
used.
I have to grasp
Yes,
it.
I used to score like quite decent amount of pointer in college.
Okay, so being a very studious person throughout the college years, so after that you also went for placements, right?
Right. Yes.
So did you read for aptis or do any kind of practice for placements or just concentrating on GATE exams?
No, I just only concentrated for grade. As like my family said, just sit for placement. Even though you didn't get, it's okay, but you should focus on GATE. Means it just like for experience for me. And the same portion which is in GATE, it is also for the placements. And I was like easily able to crack the placements also.
Okay, so you used to relate the subjects which were in placement.
Yes.
And were the same for GATE. So that
Yes.
was a kind of advantage that you will be GATE, so you will be able to crack
Yes,
into
means
the
they
questions.
like used to ask what is your strong subject. I only used to mention like which are in the GATE only.
Okay. So
And
you
active
had-
was like quite easy for me also.
Okay, so what would you like to say about your bond with Sir? As it seems to me, it is quite a like nice thing between you both, as he has always monitored you so personally.
So, like I know I didn't means like used to answer the question, but what sir said I used to follow almost like 99% of time. Sometimes it may happens, but I used to follow what sir used to do. If he asked me to do like give test, then I used to give test.
Okay. Is there any schedule to follow for next batch if we wanna have a proper schedule for a day?
So I would like to say that everyone has their own motivation and everyone has their own difficulties in their life. So you should take an inspiration from them, but you should not copy them. Like some students, like he studies for 10 hours. Why I am not able to study? Like sometimes it is like everyone's starting point is different, but ending point is same. So according to you, you have to map yourself where are you and what you need to do to reach that point. Everything is like within you. You don't have to means like you don't have to go anywhere. You just search for yourself and you get the answer.
Are there any key points you wanna highlight throughout your journey which were really like turn-offs for you?
Yes, like for my journey, I didn't do like much things like some people like quit everything, but I did everything. Means like I participated in Smart India Hackathon that was conducted in August. I was like into competitive coding. Means apart from I used to do first preference to GATE, utmost preference to GATE, and afterwards what time I used to get, I used to utilize it for my hobbies or like something.
Okay, so hobbies part is competitive coding.
Competitive coding and sometimes I was like into gaming also.
Okay, the gaming part. So if someone is into gaming and it is really obsessive, as you will know, so it's hard to give up on it. How do you manage giving up on it at
So
the right time?
It's like you can't get everything at the same point of time.
Yeah.
You obviously have to sacrifice everything.
Mm.
As I have decided for me to take GATE, I only used to like for last 3 months I didn't have touch games, and I also quit the social media for like 7 to 8 months. So there is like times when I used to get demotivated, I get back to like gaming, and again I used to get to study.
Okay, so you were able to switch between
Yes.
gaming and studies. It was really nice talking with you, Varun, because there are many people out there who are very obsessed with gaming. Someone like me will really appreciate switching things between. Also, I thank Sir for giving us such a guidance, and we'll be back with other topics. And thank you.